Hey guys, it's Miss and SeeSaw, and in this video I will be showing you how SeeSaw works. Okay, so if you don't know what I mean, SeeSaw is the app where you do all of your assignments. Okay, so I am going to show you how to log in and how to get into SeeSaw. First, I wanted to show you and make sure that you guys all have this pen right here. It came with your iPad. It might look a little bit different, but the point is that the tip of your stylus pen, that's what it's called, your stylus is rubber. And you will use this as if you were writing on your iPad. So your iPad is your paper and your stylus will work as your pencil. Okay, and when you're on SeeSaw, that is how it will work. Okay, I am going to show you this page right here. This is Miss and SeeSaw's canvas. I am going to show you what we did for Monday. So I'll click on Miss and SeeSaw. And remember, this is what we did Monday. We did two things. That's all we did. Remember, to get on SeeSaw, you need to click on this app right here. We'll click on it. And it might ask you to sign in. It won't ask you all the time. So you're going to click, I'm a student. And then what you're going to do, instead of putting in all of your login, you're going to put SeeSaw for schools Clever sign in. And because you're signed into Clever, you should be signed into SeeSaw. So my page looks a little bit different than yours just because I have all of you guys on here. But let me show you. This is the assignment you are supposed to do. Here are the instructions. You can read them, or you can play this gray button here, and you can listen to it. All right. So this is how you're going to start. We're going to click this Add Response button. You're going to click on Drawing because it wants you to draw. Okay? And I am going to show you how this works. So up here is the view instructions. So if you forget what to do, or if you need to go back and listen to the instructions, here they are. Okay, you can exit out of it. Okay, if this orange check mark here, if we are running out of time and you're not going to get it done during class, you can always come back and do it after school, but I need it done that day. This trash can over here, if you click on it, it says delete and start over. So if I have this on here, I didn't like it, I can click the trash can button and it'll say delete and start over. Click on it and you can start over. Okay? Let's look at the assignment, the instructions. It's telling us, introduce yourself to SeeSaw. Use the pencil tool to draw a picture of yourself, just like this little dude did. Okay? So I'm going to use the pencil. Here is a pencil. Here is marker, highlighter, magic marker and an eraser. Right now I'm using my pencil. On the side here, you see you can change the color of it. So if I want orange, I can color my dress orange. Okay? If I need the color black, I can change the colors of it on the side. All right? Okay, I drew myself. I just drew myself. I forgot what to do, so I'm going to view the instructions again, and let's see. Then use the text button to describe yourself. It wants your name, favorite thing to do, and favorite food. Text is this T button right here. Click on the text button and a box comes up. So I'm going to put my name, Miss SeeSaw. I'm going to put my favorite thing to do. I like riding horses. And my favorite food. I like Panda Express. All right. You can move this box. It doesn't have to stay in the middle. So I can click on it and move it wherever I want on the page. All right. So now I have a picture of me. I got my text with my name, my favorite thing to do, and my food. Let's see what else the instructions want. Then it's telling us to use the microphone button to say hello. Do not forget to click the green check button to submit your assignment. Okay, now it wants us to use this microphone here. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to start recording. Hello. When you're done recording, click this button that said done, and your voice is on there now. If I click on it, when you're done recording, okay, you heard me. View the instructions. It says do not forget to click the button to submit your work. Okay. The green check mark here means I'm done. I need to turn it in. Turn it in when you're absolutely sure this is your best work. If you're not done and you're not going to get done while we're at school, do it as homework, but it needs to be done that day. If you don't get done, save it as a draft, this orange check mark. But if you're absolutely done, you're done, you want to submit it, you want Miss SeeSaw to see it, you're going to click this green check mark. I'm going to click that green check mark because I am done, and it's going to upload to SeeSaw. And then Miss SeeSaw can see it here. Okay? And that is how SeeSaw works. You had this assignment for Monday, August 31st. And if we go back, you also had, scroll down, this assignment right here, math small group. So out of the 4 SeeSaws that we had, we only did 2 of them. This first SeeSaw and this last SeeSaw. If I click on this one, it shows us the math that we did. Okay? Let's read the instructions.
Addition homework instructions. Click on the add response button to create an assignment. Click on the pencil button
Okay, cool. It tells us what to do. Click the add response button. All right, guys. make sure and look, there are 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's only 8 questions. It's just a lot of pictures. Okay? You're going to use your stylus like a pencil. And you are going to use the marker or the pencil. I do not, when you are writing, I do not want you to use the magic marker, and I do not want you to use the highlighter because it's hard to see it. It's difficult and it's hard, so just don't do it. Use the marker or use the pencil. So I'm using my stylus. I'm completing this right here. So I know 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay? We know, here's your example. We got 5 apples up here. Put 5 plus the 3 apples down here equals 8. We know 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's look at number 2. We did number 1 and number 2 in class together. We have on this top row, we got 2 crayons. On this bottom row, we have 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. All right, now we're going to write it here. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, we got that far. Remember to do page 2, page 3, page 4. When you're done, click the green check mark or I'm not going to get it. I am not going to get it or receive it. Even if you say you're done, I don't know that you're done if you don't give it to me. Okay? You're gonna click on it and it'll save and it'll send it to Miss and SeeSaw. So you have 2 assignments to do for Monday. You have Get to Know You SeeSaw, and you have Math Small Group. Those were your only 2 assignments. I'll see you guys for Tuesday. Group A meets from 8 to 11:15. Group B meets from 11:45 to 3 p.m. Because tomorrow is Tuesday, make sure to click on the Tuesday Miss and SeeSaw. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and have a nice day.